Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to do a new topic, and today's topic is word ending with k sound. Okay, as we know, C and K both makes k sound. Here together, it's making k sound. Okay, when CK comes with vowels, then it makes a sound. Now let's check. When it comes with vowel A, it makes ak. And with E, ik. With I, ik. O, ok. U, uk. Now let's see the example here one by one. Ak, ak. R, ak, rack. S, ak, sack. P, ak, pack. B, ak, back. Next, ek. N, ek, neck. P, ek, pack. Now, ik. T, ik, tick. K, ik, kick. L, ik, lick. P, ik, pick. S, ik, sick. O, k, ok. K, ok, cock. L, ok, lock. R, ok, rock. K, uk. D, uk, duck. T, uk, tuck. S, uk, suck. Or even you can read it separately also. D, k, duck. T, k, tuck. Okay. Please have a practice with this word ending with k. Thank you.